तो गाइस जैसा कि मेरे को कहीं फीमेल ट्रैवलर्स मिलती है, फीमेल फ्रेंड्स मिलती है और मैं उनको इंसिस्ट करता हूँ कि यार सोलो ट्रैवल बहुत अच्छा रहता है, लेकिन उनके मन में कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं कि कैसा होना चाहिए, किस तरह का होना चाहिए, क्या रिस्क है, किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती है। तो जी हाँ, आज अभी मेरे साथ में मेरी ट्रैवल पार्टनर भी जिनका नाम पिंक्स है और ये है मुंबई से। तो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ ना।
Hi everyone, this is Pink Shah Jain from Mumbai and I've been traveling since like 2017, solo travel कर रही हूँ. So as you know, a woman, it's very difficult to come out from the house, but then I finally managed to do it and I'm so lucky that I have a supportive family and they really help me in getting out and traveling.
So Pinks, कुछ बेसिक से क्वेश्चंस होते हैं लाइक हाउ डू आई कन्विंस माई पेरेंट्स। मेरी फ्रेंड्स बोलती है कि लाइक कैसा अपने पेरेंट्स को मनाया, तो आपका जो फर्स्ट टाइम फेस था वो आपने कैसे क्लियर किया?
Like in my times the Insta was not in boom like in 2017, but I shown my parents and my in-laws like see these videos, women are traveling alone. Like there was a bike rider who was traveling from in that time from Kerala to Leh alone with her Royal Enfield. I told my mother and my mother-in-law that see, women are traveling alone. So I have that, like I can't be like, I have the inside, like from childhood to explore places. When I was even small, I used to explore each and small places of Mumbai, which earlier it was my passion to travel alone, but it didn't happen since years because of some kind of responsibilities. But then finally my parents and mother-in-law agreed, like no problem, you can do that.
So एक फीमेल के लिए सबसे स्टार्टिंग के टाइम पे सबसे बेस्ट प्लेसेस कौन से रहेगी सोलो ट्रैवल के लिए?
Best places you should explore, like nearby places, like not in long distance. Like first place for me was Lonavala. It was not 250 kilometers even from Mumbai. So started with Lonavala and then exploring Maharashtra, small places, like I went Nasik, I went Nagpur, I went Aurangabad. And this how my journey started, like small places, and then I got confidence that as a woman how I have to behave out and how I have to be in good circle and how the vibes, the vibes is important, like the people, even if you are in a group, you must understand how people are with you, how they are, while talking wise and while reacting wise or their actions, so you need that quality one in you as a woman. And I think so every woman have it. She is blessed with that quality.
Exactly.
But that you need to use when you travel. That is the one point which I will add you.
So next question पे move on करते हैं कि लाइक जब कभी होता होगा ना, लाइक एज ए सोलो ट्रैवलर कभी कभी लगता है कि कुछ अकेला फील हो रहा है, अकेलापन सा लग रहा है, लोनलीनेस सा फील हो रहा है, तो उसको ओवरकम कैसे करते हो?
See, mainly I don't feel alone when I travel because I'm a mad woman. I just keep exploring things. Like yesterday also we were not sitting. Like when these all told it, अभी हो गया, थक गए, मैंने बोला नहीं उधर जाते. So and then when you come back home, like if you have a good content, you can post on social sites. Showing that women are traveling because you are the one who are inspiring other women.
And she is really good photographer.
And in India, the woman's life everyone knows, and if 1%, even if we are inspiring only a one woman in a lakh, then you all are doing a great job. So I think that you should even post, and you should not worry about anyone thinking about you, because one point is there in Indian household, like log kya bolenge. So even I used to think that, but later on I understood that अगर ऐसे ही सोचेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. We can't do anything for ourselves.
निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है guys.
निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So take your responsibilities, cover that responsibilities, and keep little bit of money saving for yourself and travel a lot, guys.
So one more question, I think ये last होगा. Like कहीं फीमेल फ्रेंड्स मेरे ये भी पूछती है कि जो तुम हॉस्टल्स में रुकते हो, जहाँ पर भी व्हेनेवर यू स्टे इन हॉस्टल, सो उधर लाइक बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स कॉमन थोड़ा रूम शेयर का रहता है, तो ये इट इज़ सेफ और नॉट एज अ गर्ल? As a woman,
as a girl, I'll tell you it's 200% safe, because if you are staying somewhere alone, it's better to stay with the group, right? And there are, you know, when it's travel part, even men's are very good at it. They are only passionate about traveling, and they are focused on their you know, exploring. So not all the men's are same, guys. So I didn't met any of such obnoxious people when I traveled, like from like since 5 years. So it's been a bless for me. And really people are really men's are even, you know, they are very focused on their travel in spite of doing all that bullshit, you know. None of the men's are like that. So girls, come out and travel a lot.
अच्छा, अब बातों में एक छोटा सा लास्ट क्वेश्चन और आया है पिंक्स कि एक वुमेन को, एक सोलो फीमेल ट्रैवलर को लाइक अपने साथ क्या क्या सेफेस्ट साइड को लेके कैरी करना चाहिए जब भी लाइक आपका भी फर्स्ट टाइम रहा होगा तो देन आपको भी थॉट्स आए होंगे कि यार मेरे पास ये होना चाहिए, तो वो मतलब प्रेफरेंस क्या रखे फर्स्ट?
I used to carry a pepper spray, one thing, and the knife they removed out on my airport. One I had carried one चाकू, फिर एक नेल कटर भी रखा था, वो भी निकाल के लिया ले एयरपोर्ट पे.
हाईजैक करने का प्लान था.
They told that it's not allowed. So I told that, see, I am a woman solo traveler. They told that बाहर से ले लेना आप कुछ भी, आपको चाहिए तलवार लेके घूमो, but फ्लाइट से जाने को नहीं मिलेगा. So I had a pepper spray which they allowed me. Okay. And even I had some chili powder. I'll not lie you. As a Marwadi, I had a red chili powder which I carried first time.
So, thank you so much, Pinks. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस आपने अपना शेयर किया और आई होप इस वीडियो के थ्रू बहुत सारे मेरे फीमेल फ्रेंड्स या जो भी व्यूवर्स होंगे फीमेल तो उनको हेल्प होगा और वो थोड़ा ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस होगा उनका हाई होगा.
The thing is we constantly think about, you know, women's, you know, Indians women's are so back in each and everything. You all should get out and please travel, do whatever you like in your life and please explore places. There are so many places, beautiful places to see, and when you're alone it's really very peaceful. And so just try and go out from house, whether it's only 50 kilometers, just start with 50 kilometers. Nearby place where you think that
छोटे शुरुआत बड़ी चीज की होगी. अब अगर आप लोग प्लान बना लोगे कि लाइक मेरे को सीधा सोलो हिमाचल वगैरह जाना है,
लगता है कि तुम्हें डर लगता है तो कोई 2-3 फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप बनाओ, उनके साथ जाने की कोशिश करो 50 किलोमीटर तक, फिर धीरे धीरे 100 किलोमीटर बढ़ो, फिर बाद में 200, फिर 500, फिर एक दिन का ट्रिप बनाओ. एक दिन का अभी ऑनलाइन तो सब कुछ है, लाइक यू कैन बुक एवरीथिंग, यू नो, और लाइक ये वेरी गुड रेंज.
हाँ, लाइक अब जैसे ये Stop hostel की बात कर रहा हूँ, like
350. What is there in 350? You're getting good water, you're getting good nice bed to sleep, clean, hygienic.
और सबसे बेस्ट थिंग इज ना कि कुछ हॉस्टल्स में लाइक कुकिंग का भी एक एरिया रहता है जहाँ पे अपन सेल्फ कुकिंग कर सकते हैं, शेयर करो एक दूसरे के साथ वाइब्स. और
if you have time you can cook here, you can draw here, you have lots of, you can sing here, like you can show your talent here, like so that's a good thing.
Thanks once again. Thanks, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
This video will work for you. God bless you.
Thanks.